everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing the Cherry Crush from Colourpop. This palette, I already tried on this Cheek Dew in Cherish You. And this is really nice. This is the second time I applied before I did powder and after I did powder because I wanted more of the color, and I really do enjoy it. It is really light. It's a serum kind, so this is really good. I did like it. It's a little messy, but that's fine. Other than that, I really do like how light, and it just blended really well. I use my fingers and then I use a blush to really blend it out, and I really do enjoy it. So today I'm doing the Cherry Crush Colourpop palette. That's what it looks like. I did swatches in my last video, and I'm wearing one of these. So thank you, Kris and Kathy, for this collection. And I can't forget to use these. This is the Cream Gel Liner BFF. This is in Jubilee. Very cute. I love the color. And then this is Colourpop Liquid Liner LA. I don't know. That's really Graceland in white. So that is a liquid liner, and then cream gel. So I'm excited to try a cream gel and see how that works, because yeah, I never tried one of their cream gel before, so I'm excited. And let's get started. Let's do a palette bingo of 1 through 9, and we have a commercial. And we're back. We have 1, 8, 4, 8. So we have 6 and 3. So here are the color story. This is very beautiful. I really do like it. I love the swatches. They're really nice. So I have Sweet Like Cherry Stem. So Sweet Like Cherry Gem Stem. And then 4 we have Tie a Knot. We have Juicy Juicy. 8 is Black Cherry. So I'm going to go in with Tie a Knot, the shade right here. So Kris and Kathy, I watch them every time they post. They're really nice and sweet and kind and loving, very funny. I laugh at them all the time. With them, not at them. But they are so funny. I love them so much. They are so sweet. This is really nice. Very pigmented. Very little goes a long way. Wow. Very nice. Now I'm going with Cherry Stem right here, below that very beautiful pink shade. So yeah, about shopping, because I know it's my birthday plus Black Friday. So one of my girls on Instagram, she messaged me because I said I wanted the Huda Beauty, the the pretty one, if I can remember. Oh, I can't remember what it is, but it's that pretty one. I think it came out last year, and it's finally gonna be on sale at Sephora this year, so I want to pick that up on the 25th online. So hopefully I can still get my hands on it when it comes down to $33. So that'll be a nice deal for me. So yeah, and then today I ordered the Natasha Denona palette, the really pretty one, colorful, from BoxyCharm from eBay. So I ordered that one for like 15 bucks. Really good deal. So yeah, I just want to purchase a little bit more before my no buy, which will be totally fine, because next year I plan not to buy anything unless, you know, 5 palettes are gone. but still, we'll see. So look at that beautiful brightness. Very pigmented, I must say. So far, no fallout, nothing, you know, everything's staying in place. I used this one and this one so far, so pretty nice. Actually, it was this one and this one. So now I'm going in with black cherry in the outer portion. So yeah. So no, I still want the ABH palette, the Norvina too, but I don't think that's gonna be on sale anytime soon. I know it was on sale. I tried to get it, then yeah, a mess happened. And it's like a mess after a mess. So hopefully there's no messes when I order any more palettes or makeup before, you know, this time ends at the end of the year, because I don't know what is going on this end of the year, but make it stop, please. So now I'm thinking about, there's Sweet Like, Tie Knot. Okay, we have Juicy Juicy, number 4 or 6. 6. So I'm gonna go in with Juicy Juicy right after that shade. Very pigmented. I really do enjoy this palette. Can't wait to play more with this palette. I'm excited. Now I'm going to Sweet Like. The shades look so similar. That's very pretty. So I'm gonna go right into here. And then on the other side, and then I'm gonna fix that right up with my finger. Oh yeah, very beautiful. Very pigmented. I really do enjoy this palette. It's super cute. Last night I was thinking to compare this with a different palette. I forgot what palette that was. I am losing the names of palettes here. But I think it would be cute with another palette. Let's see. Now I want to go into black cherry again with this portion of the eye. But they are sweet. Kris and Kathy is amazing. They are one of a kind. I like to see like difference in anybody when I watch them, and I'm like, okay, I will subscribe to them. I do not like to subscribe the big people on the YouTube community because they already have like a lot of supporters. If they lose a couple, it's not gonna matter. They still will have a lot. Like, I like the smaller YouTubers. They're really nice, and yeah. So cherry stem, right in there. Then I want to go in with tie a knot. And then Sweet Like. Sorry if I'm not showing you. I'm going to the mall today and yeah. I'm gonna go to the Apple store. I got my old iPad back. So I'm going to the Apple store today. It was gonna go on Friday. So there's all the shades. They all look similar and they all look similar on the eyes. But it's super cute. So I'm gonna go in with this gel liner underneath the eye. Super creamy. It glides on the waterline really nicely. So yeah, today I'm going out to the mall. Yay, I barely go to the mall. Just to go to the Apple store and see how that goes. All right, so let's see where I should put this. I don't want to stain it. Scared. I don't want to stain this at all. Sorry, I'm being quiet. But yeah, what's going on? Oh, I like this side better than. Be right back. To make this unique, I had to put some of these flakes on here onto the white because I had to like try to hide this mess up. The flakes are going everywhere. I think it's drying out. What sucks about these pressed glitters is when they dry out, they are hard. They go everywhere. They're a mess. So, trying to hide my mess up with sparkles. Always, sparkles will save the day, I guess. What do you think? I like that I have white sparkly pressed glitters from this. I really do enjoy it. I have not touched it in over a year. So sad. So beautiful. I love berry tones. So with that, I should definitely... But for now on, I'm not going to buy any more unless, I use up 5 palettes. Then I could bring new ones in, which I'm excited for that goal. And I need to stick with that goal. So that's what it's looking like. And here is the finished look. What do you think? I love the finished look. I really do enjoy this palette a lot. I like both of the liners. I love the cheek products. I love everything. Love this cute little mirror. I didn't get to use it, but I really do love it. I used to apply my little pressed glitters was a lip liner for 17 by the brand this. So it's a lip liner, but I love it for like eyeshadow. I used this brush again today from the 99-cent only store, the Ingo brush, and then another Luxie 209 large shading brush for mainly this eye look. I love everything about it. Everything about this collection I really love. I'm so happy. I just love it. Thank you for watching. I'll link below, and my yesterday's video from swatching the whole palette, unboxing, my giveaway. So thank you Kris and Kathy for this beautiful palette and everything that went with the giveaway. Thank you so much for everything. I love the collection. Thank you so much. Bye for now.